Confidence grows when you keep your word to yourself. The biggest hits to your confidence don't come from other people. They come from you. Every time you break a promise to yourself, even a small one, your nervous system records it, and over time, it stops believing you. This isn't about guilt, it's about rebuilding internal trust. Confidence is often treated like a personality trait, something you either have or don't. But in the inner ledger, confidence is behavioral. It's built through evidence, not public evidence. Private evidence, self-betrayal happens quietly. You say you'll start tomorrow, you say you'll have the conversation, you say you'll follow through, and then you don't. Each time feels small. Insignificant, but the ledger records it. Confidence is simply trusting directed inward. When you repeatedly break small commitments to yourself, trust erodes. You begin hesitating more, second guessing more, delaying more. Not because you lack ability, but because your system no longer sees you as reliable. This is rarely conscious. It shows up as, I don't know if I can do this. I've tried before. What's the point? That's accumulated self-betrayal speaking. The solution is not dramatic promises. It's smaller integrity. Make commitments you can realistically keep. Reduce the scale. If you can't commit to 1 hour, commit to 10 minutes. If you can't commit to 7 days, commit to today. Every kept promise is a deposit. Over time, deposits restore internal trust, and trust restores confidence. Confidence is not bravado. It is the quiet knowledge that you follow through. This is why discipline and self-trust are connected. When you keep your word to yourself, identity stabilizes. You stop negotiating internally. Self-betrayal weakens identity. Self-alignment strengthens it. If confidence feels unstable right now, ask, where am I over-promising and under-delivering to myself? What is one commitment I can keep today? Confidence doesn't grow from intensity, it grows from consistency and integrity. Confidence grows when you keep your word to yourself. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.